So welcome to this tutorial. Welcome to this video tutorial. In this tutorial I'd like to show you how you can change the settings for your fonts and also for your main colors, so you can reflect your website with your corporate identity. For this purpose we go to Customizer. So now the customization menu opens. And on this point, I like to inform you that this is the menu of our theme. So if you have a different theme, because there are 10,000 themes out there, it maybe looks a little bit different, and the settings for typography or for colors may be stored in another menu point as a submenu or something else. Or maybe also some of the settings are not included in your theme. So we recommend that you install a trial, a test version from our website, and then everything looks like we show it in the videos. So okay, we go to typography and then to the base typography. And as you can see, there are drop downs, and inside this drop down menu there are all the Google fonts that Google deliver for free. And you can see these fonts if you go to a website called fonts.google.com, and here you can see all the fonts that Google deliver for free, and all these fonts are included in our theme. Okay, so you can search for a nice font that you like to use with your website. Okay, for example, we use the dancing script, dancing, and you can see immediately that this font change here, because this is the font for the body lines. Okay, and a second we change the headings. Okay, and if these headings here are not changed immediately, it's because we have several options inside content, and there we have the settings for 6 headings from H1 to H6, and we change it here. Dancing. Okay, and you can also change the size if you like. Okay, then we change also the heading 2 to a dancing script, and also, for example, dancing script for heading 3. Okay, that's nice. So as you can see, all the headings and also the body text changes to the new font, and this is important because you can set up once here in the customizer and everything changed. And if you like to have a different font on one module, you have to set it in the module itself. I'll show you this in a few seconds. First we go to the colors. So colors works the same. We go to the base colors, and there we can see the link color, and this is a link, and you can see the dark color for the link, and we change it to red only for this example so you can see it better. It's red, and when I hover it, it goes to blue, and this is the hover color. We change it to green only for this example. Okay, that's nice. So every link that you included in the website, every text link, work with these colors now, except you have different color settings inside this module. And also the text itself, the text color, we change it to let's say this. So now you can see the color don't change here. There are two reasons for this. The first is we have the cache on, so the website stores the settings from the last session. So this is important for your customer because the site will load faster with the cache, and this is okay. But if you work on a site and have the cache on, this maybe is a little bit confused, but we simply publish these settings and close the customizer. And then when we open the builder, every time you open the builder and save settings from the builder, the cache will be deleted. So now you can see the color is changed to the color inside the customizer. So, but this is only on this module. Why not on this? It's because in this module we have some settings inside the typography. So as you can see, we have a color for the description, and this is now the color for this module. And every settings that you set up in the module works on a higher level than the settings from the customizer. Okay, we delete this, and now you can see this is also this pink color here. Okay. Also for the title. Okay, as you can see, also the title color is changed, and this is the workflow for your colors and for your fonts. But we have several options inside the builder itself, because the builder works sometimes with some content like this button here, and you can change also the default settings for these buttons. So we go save this, for example here, and on the builder you have on the left side a drop down menu, and there we have the settings for the add-ons. We open this settings, and now you can see at the moment the builder grabs the settings from the customizer, and we can change this. So we can have our own settings for buttons and for hover colors and for general colors. Okay. Okay, for the button background and button hover color and something else, and we go to save this. And then we have also some important settings. Okay, you can see now all the button changes. So this is also a very helpful setting. All the buttons I include in the future, and also the buttons that I included in the past with no settings, change to these colors. Okay, and then we have global settings, and in this global settings we can set the padding and the margin for the modules inside the builder, because every time I drag and drop a module to my website, we have these settings here, advanced, these margin settings, and we can change this also in the global settings here, padding and margin. So if you work with the bigger or with smaller spaces between modules, it's very helpful to change it here, and you don't have to change it in every module. Okay, that's it for the colors and for the fonts. I hope you watch our next video. Thank you. Bye bye.